Freelancing is the practice of self-employment and is characterized by the performance of work as an independent contractor rather than as a permanent employee. A freelancer is an individual who is not committed to a particular employer long-term and is typically hired for short-term contracts or projects. Freelancers typically work on a per project or per task basis, and they may work for multiple clients at the same time. Freelancing is becoming increasingly popular as more and more people are looking for flexibility and control over their work lives. Freelance is the practice of working for yourself, rather than being employed by a company. Freelancers are typically self-employed and set their own rates, hours, and clients. There are many benefits to freelancing, including the freedom to set your own schedule and work from anywhere in the world. Freelancers also have the opportunity to work on a variety of projects and with different clients. Additionally, freelancing can be a great way to build your skills and experience. However, there are also some challenges to freelancing, such as finding clients, managing finances, and dealing with irregular income. Freelancers also need to be self-motivated and disciplined in order to be successful. If you are considering a career in freelancing, there are a few things you should do to get started. First, you need to decide what skills and services you can offer. Next, you need to create a portfolio of your work. Finally, you need to start marketing yourself to potential clients. There are many resources available to help you get started with freelancing. There are also many online communities where you can connect with other freelancers and get advice. If you are willing to put in the hard work, freelancing can be a rewarding and fulfilling career. Freelancers earn money by providing their services to clients on a per project or per hour basis. They typically set their own rates and negotiate contracts with clients. Freelancers can earn money from a variety of sources, including direct clients. Freelancers can find clients through networking, referrals, and online platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and link to freelancer.com. Agencies. Freelancers can also work with agencies that connect them with clients. Project-based work. Freelancers can work on specific projects for clients, such as developing a website, writing a blog post, or creating a marketing campaign. Ongoing work. Freelancers can also provide ongoing services to clients, such as managing social media accounts, writing articles for a blog, or providing virtual assistant services. The amount of money that a freelancer can earn varies depending on their skills, experience, and the type of work they do. However, freelancing can be a lucrative career for those who are successful. Here are some tips for earning money as a freelancer. Identify your niche. Focus on a specific area of expertise where you can offer high-quality services. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your work and skills to potential clients. Network with other freelancers and professionals, attend industry events, join online communities, and build relationships with people who can refer you to clients. Set competitive rates. Research the rates charged by other freelancers in your field and set your rates accordingly. Be professional and reliable, meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and deliver high-quality work. Market yourself. Create a website, blog, or social media presence to promote your services. Negotiate contracts. Always have a written contract in place that outlines the scope of work, fees, and deadlines. Manage your finances. Track your income and expenses, set aside taxes, and invest in your business. Freelancing can be a great way to build a career that is flexible, rewarding, and fulfilling. With hard work and dedication, you can earn a good living as a freelancer.